Most traders think discipline means white-knuckling through losses and forcing yourself to follow tough-to-follow rules. That's exactly why they keep failing. Real trading discipline is not about willpower. It's about having a system that makes the proper decisions obvious. This approach has helped me and my students turn small accounts into 7- and 8-figure portfolios, even when most of my students started with little to no discipline at all. I'm going to break down the 3-step process that makes discipline effortless. Number 1, the real reason traders lose discipline, and it's not what you think. This is not about willpower. The real problem is that traders are trying to discipline themselves around the wrong thing entirely. You see, most traders focus discipline on making money. So every loss feels like a discipline failure, which triggers emotional decisions that spiral into potential bigger losses. It's a dangerous cycle, okay? You take a small loss, you feel like you failed, you break rules to make it back, then you have a bigger loss, then you can even blow up. And this is what I see happening too often. They take a small loss, they get frustrated, they break the rules, sometimes they win, they think that I'm wrong, and then, 1 or 2 trades get away from them, and then they lose 20, 30, 50%. The real misunderstanding here is that discipline has nothing to do with profits or losses. It's about process and execution. Did you follow your entry criteria? Did you cut losses at your predetermined level? That's it. Why does this matter? Well, when you shift your discipline focus from profits to process, losses stop triggering emotional breakdowns because you're measuring the proper things. The traders who build lasting disciplines are not stronger, they're simply measuring things the right way. And once you understand what discipline actually is measuring, then you need to build the system around that, and that makes it automatic. Then your results will improve. You need to understand that. Process over profits. Number 2, why is your brain sabotaging your discipline and how can you stop it? Well, the reason discipline feels impossible is not psychological weakness, it's that your trading system is leaving too many decisions open to interpretation in the heat of the moment. And the human brain, under financial stress, defaults to survival mode. It will always find a reason to break your rules when the real money is on the line. And this insight is key. You have to learn how frustrating following the lessons are. Then you break the lesson. Then you realize how much more painful it is to break the lesson. This is your brain's natural learning curve, not a character flaw, okay? Most traders have rules that are simply too vague. Cut losses quickly, which means nothing if you're down 15% and telling yourself it'll bounce back. Your rules need to be so specific that your brain has zero room to negotiate in the heat of the moment. Not cut losses quickly. How about exit immediately when you're down 3%? No exceptions. Not wait for the right setup, but only enter on the first green day setup when volume is 3 times above average and there's a clear news catalyst. Not don't chase, it's if I miss the entry point by 5% or more, I don't take the trade. Specificity creates discipline. When rules are crystal clear, breaking them feels obviously wrong rather than debatable. Track every single trade against your specific rules, not your P&L, but rule execution. Did you follow step 1, 2, 3, okay? This is how my 50+ millionaire students and I became self-sufficient. Building systems so specific that good decisions become automatic and obvious. If this is clicking for you, and let's say you're tired of watching your account suffer because your process isn't dialed in yet, well, guess what? There's a link in the description below this video, and you can book a call with my team, okay? My team and I will look at exactly where your discipline is breaking down and show you how to fix it. And the call is 100% free. The link is below, so let's get back to it. Number 3, how does real discipline get built? Through deliberate experience, okay? You cannot build real trading discipline without experiencing real consequences. But most traders experience consequences that are either too small to matter or too large to survive. Paper trading creates little discipline because there's no emotional education. Your brain knows it's not real money, and so you don't build the neural pathways needed for proper execution. Trading too large also destroys discipline because catastrophic dollar losses trigger survival psychology that overrides every rule that you've ever learned, okay? You have to go through the process of what unsuccessful trading looks like. And the sooner students begin that process, the sooner they follow the proper lessons, the sooner they break the lessons, the sooner they realize their consequences are real, okay? The sweet spot is size your trades so that a loss genuinely stings, but doesn't threaten your whole account or your livelihood and doesn't even stress you out too much, okay? Small enough that you can take 10, 15 losses without blowing up or getting too frustrated and wanting to quit. Large enough that each loss creates a real emotional response that burns the lessons into your brain. And this works neurologically. Your brain only truly learns from experiences that carry emotional weight. The small sting creates exactly the right amount of emotional learning without massive destruction. This is what my millionaire students follow, okay? Start with small positions, risk $50 to $100. Build consistency, then scale systematically as discipline becomes proven. This is why students who start with small accounts, $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, they build properly, end up outperforming traders who start with $50,000 or $100,000, but they skip the foundation. Every time you take a small discipline loss, you're depositing into your discipline account. Every time you break a rule, you're making a withdrawal. Most traders are bankrupt in their discipline account before they even realize it. That has big lasting consequences. So once you have the right system and the right experience, discipline stops being something you have to force. That's what I want for all of you, okay? So in conclusion, the traders who make this look easy aren't more disciplined than you. They've simply built their systems properly. And then that makes the right decisions obvious. And they've paid their dues through deliberate small losses in experiences over and over again. So there's a 3-layer truth here, okay? Layer 1, stop measuring discipline by profits. Measure it by process and execution. Layer 2, make your rules so specific that your brain cannot negotiate in the moment. You have to be specific. Remember that. And layer number 3, build real experience through deliberate small sting losses that teach you without destroying your emotions and your account, okay? Discipline is not a personality trait that you either have or you don't have. It's a system you build deliberately, one specific rule and one small loss at a time. This is exactly why my millionaire traders start from scratch. Okay, we don't teach anybody to be stronger. We teach them the process and the systems that make strength unnecessary. You have to stop trying to force discipline and you have to start building the system that makes it automatic. This is not that hard in the long run if you have a proper educational foundation. Look, everything I just walked you through, the system, the rules, the small sting method, this is exactly what we build with traders one-on-one. So if you're serious about finally getting your process right, book a call with my team and I, and all you have to do is click the link in the description. We'll map out your specific process and show you exactly where the gaps are. Now, if you're not ready for that yet, that's okay too. But do yourself a favor and watch this next video before you place another trade. It's called Trading is a Video Game. Here are the cheat codes. And honestly, it'll change how you see every single setup before you risk too much money from here on out, okay? It's right there on the screen. Click it now and study up.